exercise number 3.7, question number 5. Find the quotient and remainder for the following using synthetic division method. Here 4 Roman number is given. Let's see the Roman number one by one. The first Roman number is x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. Let me take it as the given polynomial as. Let me take it as the given polynomial f of x is equal to and g of x. Right? F of x is equal to the given form. First you have to check it is in the standard form or not. See here if I have x square x and then constant term, standard form of the polynomial. So now we want to find the zeros of the polynomial. So let me take it as x minus 3 equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. So by synthetic division method, we have the division as 3. We have to take the coefficient of the variable. So the coefficient of x cube is 1, the coefficient of x square is also 1, the coefficient of x is minus 7 and then constant term. And place the first term as 0. Add the term 1 plus 0 is 1, multiple this term. 3 into 1 is 3, sum of this term is 4, 3 4s are 12. Add this, we get 5. 3 5s are 15. When you subtract, we get 12. This is the remainder. Therefore, the quotient q is equal to, we want to write as 1 plus 4 plus 5. See, constant term, x term and x square term. This is the quotient, and then remainder r is equal to 12. Next we see the second Roman number. Here we have the second Roman number. The given terms we take it as f of x and g of x. We want to find the zeros of that. G of x, x plus 2 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. By synthetic division, we have the term, the divisor is minus 2. We want to write the coefficient of the variable. First of all, we have to check the standard form x cube, x square, x and then constant term. So it is in the standard form. So the coefficient of x cube is 1, the coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x is minus 1 and then constant term. First term always 0, sum of this term is 1, multiple minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, sum of this term is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, so we get minus 1. Minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2. We get minus 2 as the remainder. Then the quotient q is equal to 1 plus 0 minus 1, right? Constant x and then x square is nothing but x square minus 1 is the quotient, and then remainder r is equal to minus 2 is the value. Here let's see the third Roman number, fifth question. F of x, let me take it as the polynomial, and g of x. Here we want to find the zeros of the polynomial, so put x plus 3 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. Here we want to check the standard form, x cube, x square, x constant term. So by synthetic division, method, we have minus 3 as the divisor, and then coefficient of x cube is 3, coefficient of x square is minus 2, x is 7 and then constant term is 5. Put the first term as 0, sum of this term is 3, multiple plus into minus, minus 3 3s are 9, sum of this term is equal to minus 11, minus into minus plus 3 11s are 33, and then 40 minus 120, multiple this term minus 120, we get minus 125 as the remainder. Then the quotient is equal to 3 minus 11 plus 40. Constant term, x square term is the quotient, and then remainder is equal to minus 125 is the answer. Next we see the fourth Roman number in fifth question. Let me take it as f of x and g of x. Here we want to find the zeros of the polynomial. 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, then 4x is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to minus 1 by 4. Right? Now we want to check the given polynomial is in the standard form or not. So here we have 8x power 4 and then we need x square. Here we have x square. We need x cube, right? So the missing term is x cube. So 8x power 4 plus 0x cube minus 2x square and then plus 6x plus 5 is the term. By synthetic division, the divisor is minus 1 by 4. The coefficient of x power 4 is 8. The coefficient of x cube is 0. The coefficient of x square is minus 2. X is 6 and then constant term 5. Now first term is 0. Now sum of this term is equal to 8. Now multiply this term with 8. Here I am doing the multiplication. Minus 1 by 4 into 8 is 4 ones are 4 twos are. This term minus into plus is minus, 1 twos are 2. So we have to write minus 2. Sum of this term is equal to minus 2. Now we have to multiply this 2 term, that is minus 1 by 4 into minus 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 is in the denominator, minus into minus plus 1. So here we want to write the value 1 by 2. You want to add this 2, you have the negative symbol, so minus 2 plus 1 by 2. You want to take LCM, so LCM is 2. 2 twos are 4, minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So the value is minus 3 by 2. Here we want to write minus 3 by 2. Now multiply this term with this number. So minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus, 1 3s are 3, 4 2s are 8. So 3 by 8. When we multiply this term, we get 3 by 8. Now add this 2 term. That is sum of 6 plus 3 by 8. Here we want to take LCM as 8. Cross multiplication 8 6 are 48. Plus 3 is equal to 51 divided by 8 is the answer. Now we want to write here 51 divided by 8. Now again you have to multiply this term with 51 by 8. So we have minus 1 by 4 into 51 divided by 8 minus 51. 1 51 is 51. 4 8s are 32. So minus 51 divided by 32. Here we have the value minus 51 divided by 32. This is the remainder. Now we want to subtract this 2 term. So the in subtraction, 5 minus 51 divided by 32, taking LCM, 32 as LCM, 5 into 32 is 160 minus 51. The sum of, when we subtract this, we get 109 divided by 32. See, here we have 109 divided by 32 is the remainder. And then this term is, the quotient is 8 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 51 divided by 8. This term x square and then x cube. See, here we have, this is the quotient and the remainder r is equal to 109 divided by 32 is the answer. This term can be reduced into another term, means multiple or divide by 4 this term, divide by 4, then the quotient is, each and every term is divided by 4, we get, for divided by 4 means 2x cube. It is divided by 4 means x square divided by 2 minus divide by 4, right? So 4 2s are 8, 3 by 8 x plus divide by 4. It is in the divide by 4 means 51 divided by 8 and then divide by 4 means it will be multiplication. So 51 divided by 32. Here also the same. 3 divided by 2 into 4. Division 4 means the division should be multiple with the division already. The denominator 4 2s are 8. This is the another quotient. So we can write, either we can write here itself or we can move to the another step. Both are the same answer. Thank you, students.